Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Take Profit Trader account to Tradovate. The first thing you need to do is find your Tradovate credentials. Start by logging in to your Take Profit Trader dashboard using the email address and password you used when registering your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your purchased account or active subscription. Inside the account details section, you will find your assigned Tradovate or CQG credentials. Carefully locate the username and password provided to you. Keep this information available because you will need it during the login process. Next, open your web browser and go to the Tradovate login page. Click on Login and enter the exact username and password that you copied from your Take Profit Trader dashboard. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that everything is entered correctly. After signing in, Tradovate will ask you to review and complete a market data agreement. In most cases, you should select the non-professional option unless you qualify as a professional trader. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on the screen and sign the agreement to continue. Once that is completed, you will also be asked to accept the user license agreement. Review the agreement, accept the terms, and then close the pop-up window when prompted. After these agreements have been completed, your Tradovate account will be activated and ready to use. You can now place trades directly through the Tradovate website and access the trading tools available on the platform. If you prefer using TradingView, you can also link your activated Tradovate account to TradingView and trade from there using the same account connection. Thanks for watching.